Hello! Welcome to How to Build a Custom WordPress Theme Development tutorial. This tutorial provides you the basic idea of WordPress template hierarchy as well as the concept of WordPress theme. Use this tutorial as a starting point for custom WordPress theme development. What is WordPress? WordPress is a free and open-source content management system CMS built with PHP and Mescal. It's the easiest and popular content management system to create websites and blogs. Why is it essential to learn WordPress custom theme development? There are thousands of free and premium themes available on the web. I can use one of them for our client. Why should I learn custom theme development? The answer is simple. What if your client asks you to develop a theme as per his design? Well, here is what custom theme development takes place. You will gain more expertise in WordPress once you start learning the custom WordPress theme development. You will learn built-in WordPress functions once you put your hands on WordPress custom theme development. Process of custom WordPress theme development. Discover. In this phase, you will meet the client along with your designer and discuss about the project. Design. Your designer will design a website in Photoshop and submits the PSD to the theme developer. Development. You build the custom WordPress website according to the design. What all the things you need to build a custom WordPress theme? Bootstrap or any other front-end framework. PHP WordPress functions. Slider plugin. Custom post custom field plugin. Concept of WordPress template. Creating a custom WordPress theme is nothing but dividing your HTML into the templates. For example, your HTML's header content goes to header.php, body content goes to index.php, and footer content has to be moved to footer.php. All of your theme styling has to be written inside style.css. Inside index.php, you need to add getHeader and getFooter WordPress functions. GetHeader has to be added on the top and getFooter should be added at the bottom of index.php. The WordPress post loop comes in between these two functions. WordPress fetches the content of header.php, index.php and footer.php and then displays it to the end user. Let's create your first custom WordPress theme. You have to make a new folder inside WP Content, Themes, to start with your custom WordPress theme. For example, if you want to create a theme called My Awesome Theme, then you could name your folder something like WP Content, Themes, My Awesome Theme. Style.css. Create a new CSS file named style.css in your theme folder and add the WordPress style sheet header to your CSS file as shown below. Here is the code reference for style.css. Header.php. Create a new file named header.php in your theme folder and add the header portion of your HTML file in this template. Make sure to include WP Head WordPress function in this file. Your theme's menu should also be added to this file using WP Nav menu function. Here is the code reference for WP Nav menu function. Footer.php. Create a new file named Footer.php in your theme folder and add the footer part of your HTML file into this template. You need to include WP Footer WordPress function in this file. You can also widgetize your footer To allow the theme users to add widgets to the footer. Dynamic sidebar. WordPress function is used to widgetize the footer. FRONT-PAGE.PHP. FRONT-PAGE.PHP is used to display the home page of your website that includes slider and featured content, etc. Create a new file named FRONT-PAGE.PHP in your theme folder and include the getHeader and getFooter WordPress functions in this file. The WordPress loop, along with the content function, comes in between these two functions. Below is the simple example of FRONT-PAGE.PHP. Here is more information on the WordPress loop. Index.php. Index.php is a main template in the WordPress template structure. It is used to show the blog posts of your website or blog. Create a new file named index.php in your theme folder and include getHeader and getFooter WordPress functions in this file. The WordPress query function, WP query, is used in this template to display the blog posts. Here is the code reference for WP query. No matter whether your website has a blog posts or not, an empty index.php must be there in your theme folder. Other WordPress templates. Functions.php. This file is used to extend the theme functionalities with built-in WordPress functions or PHP functions. You can register new menus or add the new widgets to your theme in this file. Single.php. This template is used to show the article of your website. Page.php. This template is for showing the individual page. Category.php and tag.php. These templates are used when a category or a tag is queried respectively. Search.php. This template is used to show the search result. 404. PHP. This template is used to show the 404 page. Author.php. This template is used to show the queried author. Here is more information about WordPress template hierarchy. Thank you for watching this small tutorial on how to build your own custom WordPress theme. We hope this helped you understand the basic concept of WordPress theme. You can find the link of sample WordPress theme in the description. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful stuffs. Thank you.